Global warming is a burning topic today. From the United Nations to the governments around the world, from scientific institutions to non-government organizations, from ordinary farmers to school children, all have the same question. How do we slow down the process that we set into motion through decades of neglecting our own Mother Earth? Let us go back in time and see how it all started. Our planet Earth was formed along with the solar system some 5 billion years ago. The planet went through a lot of change before it started to settle down to become the Earth we know now. Life exploded on the planet. It originated in the oceans and moved onto the land. Human beings arrived around 2 million years ago. Human beings are the only life form which has mastered the ability to change his environment to suit his preferences. Man learned to use tools and invented many to make his life more productive. Humans started to construct huge cities and infrastructure to cater to their needs and, more important, to greed. But soon, the story started to go wrong. Things started to spiral out of his control. Cities started to get crowded as more and more people started to migrate to them. The infrastructure started to buckle, and at some places, even totally collapse. Countries with power and resources resorted to war to augment their wealth and prestige. The human population exploded and is doubling every century. We just crossed the 7 billion milestone in 2011. Now, a new problem has raised its head: global warming. This has brought with it drought and famine. The global climate is slowly but surely changing. Global warming has already caused different problems like human health problems and shortage of drinking water. As on date, more than 120 crore people worldwide are suffering from shortage of drinking water, and this number is growing year by year. Mankind has to learn that he does not have the right to destroy planet Earth, his very home. human beings started deforesting and constructing factories and cities in the name of improving living standards. We can make use of the resources, but at the same time, we need to keep the balance so as to safeguard our planet, this earth, and leave behind better living conditions for our children and future generations. As the experts say, that the world is currently undergoing a very rapid loss of biodiversity, comparable with the great mass extinction events that have previously occurred only 5 or 6 times in the Earth's history. So, let's stop cutting trees and start planting. If we disregard nature's laws, we become our own prosecuting attorney, judge, jury, and hangman. Last but not least, today we have ignored the problem to the extent where our children will have to pay the price. Let us start using alternative sources of energy like solar, hydroelectric, wind power, which are renewable energies wherever possible. Use mass transport like bus, train, wherever possible instead of personal vehicles. This will save money and precious natural resources like crude oil. In the long run, the economy and the environment go hand in hand. If it's not environment friendly, it is an uneconomical proposition. That is the rule of nature. A small initiation with the financial support from Subhama and Sri Ramalu Foundation started Save Nature Foundation by Mr. Vemula Nagaraju, an Indian CA and auditor by profession, and his wife Mrs. Rachrala Suma started planting trees in the month of May 2011 in their native in Anantapur town in Andhra Pradesh, India, with the support of their family, friends and close associates. The small endeavor gathered momentum and changed into a social changing phenomenon. The foundation received high support from the local community and government authority and further spread on to other countries, namely Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Laos. And the phenomenon is spreading. Many more inquiries from several other countries are coming in. This cannot be achieved by a single or a few organizations or government bodies. All people across the globe should realize themselves and love green to retain living conditions on planet Earth for our children. It is not suggested to collect any donation from others, and it is not suggested to only speak about global warming. It is suggested to do and make others to do. Like the famous saying goes, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. If we delay any further, we may take back planet Earth to its original shape of a burning ball due to global warming. Similarly, life started in the ocean, and now it might end up sinking back into the ocean due to the ice melting in the North and South Poles as a result of global warming. For more details, visit www.savenaturefoundation.org or www.gsnf.org